You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the full name of these fungus, let's call it fungus, and leave for later how to pronounce fungi or fungi. You'll see, I've got a video for you. Penicillium, chrysogenum, can also be pronounced as chrysogenum, yeah? It's kind of an E or an E, doesn't really matter, it's a Latin word, scientific. Penicillium, chrysogenum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.